Right. It's gone. Yeah. Yeah. When you're ready.
Yeah, go.
Hi folks, welcome back. It's been a while since the last video. I've not done it a lot. I think last time I left you I'd done a patch up here somewhere and started welding up a hole that's next to a patch I made before. Since then I spent some more time, I can't remember if you've seen it, I shall show you, cleaning off more of the underseal on the floor. Just come up dead well. Since the last video you can see some just down there. I bought some of the nylon brushes that Randy recommended from Lone Star Mini. They're fantastic. I'm going to do a bit more cleaning up with one of those now and I shall show you the results afterwards. I won't film it all, but I'll show you what it looks like.
As I'm faffing about here, you might notice I didn't record any of the cleaning up the metalwork, but as you can see here, it brings up a real nice, takes all the paint and rust off, brings up a real nice mirror finish to the metalwork. Them nylon brushes are fantastic. Thanks Randy for showing us those. I think Mini Tom's mentioned them as well. They're really, really good. Thanks Randy.
I don't know if you can see from over there, but I've cut a section out here. There was a small gap running along there. I tried to sort of bridge it with a weld, but it was too big, so I've cut a section out. I've got some cardboard. I'm going to make a template for that section I've cut out and weld in a new piece. Right then folks, I've got a bit carried away today. I said at the start I was going to show you about these nylon wheels. It's just took the paint off beautifully there. I've used the flat disc on that, but it's took the paint off really nice on there, and I've been able to I've repaired a section along the edge there. That was a bit rotten, that edge, so I cut it off and then found the floor was rotten beneath it, so I cut apart the sill off, welded a new piece of floor in, welded a new bit on the end of the sill, and then finished off this edge here. So that's come out quite nicely. Now I've just got to trim the tabs at the top there. This side of the floor is getting really good. The next thing I want to do is have a look at a piece at the back just there, where I put a strengthening piece on line on the floor. There's a couple of tatty edges and it's not really very good. So that's my next job. Floor's really starting to get there on this side. Need to spend a bit of time fetching rusty bits off, treating it, and cleaning up around the arches and whatnot. I'll show you in the inner arch. See, there's a load of old underseal on there and it's a bit flaky in places, so yeah, still got a fair bit to do. I want to clean up all of this half and see if I can get it primed, but not today. I think I've done enough today. I've been out in the garage for I'm not sure what time it is. My phone tells me the time. I came out about 11 o'clock, I think. It's probably about 2 o'clock now, so I've done a few hours. Got a bit done. Pretty pleased with what I've done. I'm just going to splash a bit of primer here and there, and that'll be the lot. Thanks again for watching, folks. I'll see you next time.